What's cooking, foodies? Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Rocky Road ice cream. It's been crazy hot here in California and homemade ice cream sounds so good right now. So let's get started. So ice cream is pretty much a custard base. You will need egg yolks, sugar, milk, heavy cream, and since our ice cream will be chocolate, you will need cocoa powder and chocolate chips, and we cannot forget the salt. The ice cream machine I'm using is called a Nostalgia, and I bought it from Walmart. I've also seen these online. This brand is pretty affordable compared to other brands. Before you start, put your ice cream canister in the freezer. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup sugar and 5 egg yolks. Mix until thick and pale in color. To a large pot on medium-low, add 2 cups whole milk, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Bring to a simmer but do not boil. Make sure the egg yolks do not scramble by adding a ladle of the hot custard mixture to the eggs and sugar and whisk. Ladle and whisk to bring to room temperature. Go ahead and return that to the pot and cook on low for about 5 minutes or until the custard thickens. You will know when it is ready when you run your finger down the back of the spoon and it stays separated. To a large bowl, add 5 ounces of chocolate chips. Pour mixture through a strainer over the chocolate chips. And then to cool the mixture quickly, create an ice bath and set the bowl in the bath. Whisk until cooled. Place chilled ice cream canister in the ice cream bucket. Add cooled mixture. Go ahead and put in your paddle and put the top on. Make sure to fill the ice under the hole. Go ahead and put some ice all around your canister. Halfway through, you're going to want to stop and put salt around it, and then finish adding your ice, and then at the very end put some more salt on top. Turn the ice cream for 25 minutes. Then you're going to want to stop and add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1 cup mini marshmallows. You'll turn for another 5 minutes for soft serve. Place in a 1.5 quart ice cream canister and place in freezer to harden. Enjoy!